by Sybile in 66 by 60 cm rounds, special treatment version 3. We have taffy pearls for version 1 that we have sprinkled on this section over here like a round flower or plant. And then for version 2 we have magenta that we have sprinkled in the dark pink areas as well as some of the areas over here on the petals of that flower. So pretty much sprinkle it in the darkest pink areas, like on the corners of the painting, and then a little bit dispersed sporadically on the other pinker, darker pink areas. And then finally for version 3 we have electric diamonds that we have sprinkled on the lightest section of the painting, kind of representing light. So that is what we see over here. Those are electric diamonds. So are these ones over here, and some on the petals that appear white. That is the light reflecting the petals. And so for version 3 of Fleurs by Sybile we have electric diamonds, taffy pearls, and magenta crystals.